In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font in Adobe Express web page. If you want to give your web page a different look and feel, changing the font is one of the quickest and easiest ways to do it. A new font can make your text feel more modern, more professional, more playful, or simply easier to read. The good news is that Adobe Express makes this process very straightforward. To begin, open your web page in Adobe Express. Make sure you're on the page where you want to update the text so you can immediately see the changes as you work. This makes it much easier to compare styles and decide which font fits your design best. Once your page is open, click on the text you want to change. This is important because Adobe Express needs to know exactly which text element you're editing. After you select it, you should see editing options appear for that text. If you don't see the options right away, just click the text again to make sure it's active. Next, go to the text panel and look for the font drop-down. This is where all the available font choices are listed. Click that drop-down to open the font menu. You'll usually be able to browse through different styles and preview how they might look with your selected text. Now select the font you want to use. As you choose a new font, think about the purpose of the page. For example, a clean sans serif font may work well for a modern or business-style page, while a more decorative font might be better for something creative or personal. The key is to pick a font that matches the tone of your content and stays easy to read. As soon as you select your font, the text will update automatically. That means you can instantly see how the new style looks on the page without needing to apply anything manually. This live update is helpful because it lets you test different fonts quickly until you find the one that works best. And that's it. You've successfully changed the font on your Adobe Express web page. If you're updating multiple text sections, you can repeat the same process for each one. Just select the text, open the font drop-down in the text panel, and choose your preferred style. Taking a moment to fine-tune your fonts can make a big difference in the overall appearance of your page, and it's one of the easiest ways to make your design feel polished and intentional.